अनन्या पांडे is playing herself. आप किसी से कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? You think ठीक है, whatever people want to feel, it's fine for them.
No, whatever people want to feel is fine.
Right.
You know, Janta is.
Who is the Ori on the set of Call Me Bay? Yeah.
Ananya.
Ananya is the Ori on the set of Call Me Bay.
ये हम आगे बढ़ गए।
वरुण कहता है कि किसी में मलाल नहीं दिखता ही है, वो तुम्हारा स्कूल इतना बड़ा तुमको नहीं समझ में।
अब तू खुश रहे भाई, मेरे लिए खुश रहे।
बहुत खुश हूँ मैं।
So sweet. कोई मलाल ही नहीं है। बीजेपी की कौन सी स्टेटमेंट्स, कंगना ने क्या कहा, हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
बस खुश रहो, सब
बस खुश रहो। Everyone should be happy. Class में you were like the ragda patties, like full rustic, and इसमें you're like the cheese sandwich.
बॉम्बे आया था तब तो लोगों को लगता था कि उसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती, तो एटलीस्ट अब रेंज दिख रही है। बट आई मीन नॉट
मुंह चुप करा
कॉन्शियसली।
दिया सबको। हाँ, चल निकलो। Call me Guru. So basically, Call Me Bay एक ऐसा शो है जिसे देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि जीवन में फिर से रंग वापस आ गए हैं। अच्छा लग रहा है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, इट्स ओके। ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ ग्रिम और थ्रिलिंग और ऐसा नहीं है कि रातों की नींद उड़ जाएगी। मे बी खुशी से रातों की नींद उड़ जाए। We'll only find out on the 6th of September. So can we please put our hands up together wherever we are? If you're driving and watching this, please don't put your hands up together. That would not be nice. Vihan हमारे साथ में है. We've got Colin, who's the director of the show. We've got Varun Sood. We also have Gur Fateh Singh Pirzada, who's also called as Guru Sir on the sets and otherwise. Now that I've picked up on this, I'm going to just rub it in. जब भी मेरा मन करेगा. My first question is to the director. बड़ा कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप कहते हैं ना डायरेक्टर को, बहुत
बड़ा
सारा
तो है।
ढेर सारा प्रेशर है आपके नाजुक कंधों पे। बट आई जेन्युइनली फील इशिता मोहित्रा की जो राइटिंग है बहुत ही क्रिस्पी सी है, बहुत ही फन है, बहुत ही इट्स डैम फनी, बड़े मजेदार के साथ में ना। तो ऐसा कौन सा पोर्शन, कौन सा सीन, व्हिच डायलॉग डिड यू फील, यू नो व्हाट, दिस इज गोना किल इट?
I think overall, you know, I think Ishita has a knack of creating iconic characters.
जी.
इन्होंने रॉकी रानी लिखी है, you know, so we remember her characters because she fleshes them out so well, along with her team, of course, Samina and Rohit, who are on the show. And I was very excited to bring a sort of iconic character to screen, which is Bella Chaudhary or Bay.
अनन्या पांडे is playing herself. आप किसी से कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? You think ठीक है, whatever people want to feel, it's fine for them.
No, whatever people want to feel is fine.
Right.
You know, Janta is मतलब सराखों पे.
Right.
But I think it is a testament to her ability and her talent that she has played this role so effortlessly that people feel like
वही है वो.
वही है, और आपको यही लगेगा मतलब बाकी सब भी यही है.
Quickly give you a statutory warning. There can be questions जो आपको पहले पूछे गए हैं, but that's how promotions are. So अगर थोड़ा सा बोर हो जाए तो बोल देना shut up Prerna and we'll probably move on. Or just call me Bay and we'll move on. I don't know anything. Good Fateh, my question for you is class में you were like the ragda patties, like full rustic, and इसमें you're like the cheese sandwich.
Oh wow.
ठीक है, काफ़ी रेंज है हर चीज़ में जो आप करते हैं। कोइंसिडेंटली हो रहा है या फिर यू आर रियली लुकिंग फॉर एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी सो डिफरेंट एंड एक्सट्रीम फ्रॉम द थिंग यू डिड बिफोर, इट्स डन वेरी वेरी कॉन्शियसली?
जब मैं बॉम्बे आया था तब तो लोगों को लगता था कि उसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती, तो एटलीस्ट अब रेंज दिख रही है। बट आई मीन नॉट
मुंह चुप करा
कॉन्शियसली।
दिया सबको। हाँ, चल निकलो। Call me Guru. Sorry,
Oh
yes.
my god. This guru thing is because ये गुरु सर वाली बात अच्छी नहीं है।
इसकी कहानी भी जान लेंगे, but please continue.
I mean, conscious choice, yeah, to a certain extent, but I think also, I mean, I'm also at the very start of my career, so it's not like I have 50 things lying on my
जी.
desk that I'm reading and I'm picking out that, oh, let me do this. But in that moment, whatever seems interesting and whatever seems like the right bet, I guess we take it. And then, I mean, when I did Call Me Bay, when we got on, like I got on board, I had absolutely no idea it'd be this, which is, I'm pleasantly surprised. I mean, not like I didn't know it'd be good. I didn't think my character would, you know, sort of come across the way it is coming across. And then class was the same. I didn't think that it'll fly.
I was hoping for Call Me Bay as well.
Yes.
So, but are you expecting कभी भी आपके करियर में कि क्या ये एक पीछे है at the back of your head कि मुझे लोग अपने कैरेक्टर के नाम से जाने जाएंगे तो I've arrived? Do you feel like that at all?
I mean, to a certain extent, yes and no. I mean, of course, I want to have my own personality as well. But yeah, I mean, the goal is also to do memorable characters and not just one, many.
जी. I really like you on screen, so as many as
not off
possible. So, well, coming back to Call Me Bay, Varun Sood, what can you possibly romanticize about the character that you're playing? ये जो character है बड़ा, आप वैसे भी बहुत सुंदर से हैं, and ये जो character है भी काफी सुलझा हुआ sweet सा ही लग रहा है from the trailer that we've seen. आप इस character के बारे में क्या कोई एक चीज है जो romanticize करते हैं?
सब कुछ
सब कुछ.
सब कुछ क्योंकि काफ़ी जो प्रिंस के कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स है वो मेरे अंदर ऑलरेडी है
जी.
मैंने उसको बस एम्पलीफाई किया एंड इट्स वर्कड फॉर मी. आई थिंक प्रिंस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस ह्यूमन बीइंग. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना कि कुछ ऐसे मैलिस होता है मन में, वो उसके है ही नहीं. उसको चाहिए कि पूरी दुनिया खुश रहे और मैं उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट करूँ.
जी.
वेरी हेल्पफुल, वेरी काइंड टू पीपल एंड ही जस्ट अ गाय हु लाइक्स टू लव.
So sweet. कोई मलाल ही नहीं है. बीजेपी की कौन सी स्टेटमेंट्स, कंगना ने क्या कहा, हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
बस खुश रहो, सब
बस खुश रहो. Everyone should be happy. Vihan, if I had to ask you, एक दिन अगर आप उठ जाते हैं for whatever you've done so far, एक दिन उठ के आपको realize भी खैर मतलब बैंक अकाउंट के सारे पैसे गायब, आप गरीब हो चुके हैं. ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो you will miss the most from the life that you possibly had?
पैसे. My money because it's gone.
That's a trick question.
अगर पैसे वापस आ जाते तो अच्छा होता. नहीं तो सीजन 2 कर लूँगा मैं. थोड़ा सा लड़ लूँगा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में और देख लूँगा मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Right. But do you think that sometimes ये मैं बड़ा फेस करती हूँ, and you're also brought up in Mumbai. You went to Arya Vidya Mandir if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, I'm surprised. And then I went to another school afterwards.
To another school. So like born in Calcutta, brought up in Mumbai. मुंबई वालों
विकिपीडिया आपने पढ़ लिया?
मैंने लिखी है. So I was just trying to say to people जो normally कहीं और से आते हैं मुंबई, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो successful होने के लिए there are more things for them to do. जो मुंबई में already होते हैं, हम कौन सा सपना पूरा करें? Because हम तो सपनों के शहर में ही पैदा हुए हैं या बड़े हुए हैं. Do you feel that at all कि अगर किसी के पास कम privileges हैं, उन्हें successful होने में ज़्यादा आसानी होती है?
हाँ बिल्कुल. अगर आपकी लाइफ में कम कंफर्ट होती है,
जी.
then you work harder to get what you want. I think.
Do you think it's a disadvantage to be a Bombay boy?
Advantages भी है, disadvantages भी हैं.
Okay.
जैसे कि मैं आर्य विद्या मंदिर के बाद मैं अंबानी स्कूल गया था.
जी.
वहाँ पे अनन्या भी थी.
जी.
So I kind of knew her from school in a weird way. So that's a kind of advantage.
Right.
But also वो comfort आ जाती है कि हाँ मेरा.
Disadvantage of being in Ambani school. मुझे तो advantages ही लग
There
रहे हैं.
were 15,000 steps from the class to the drinking tap.
बताता
Sorry,
हूँ.
there was a lot of disadvantage.
आपको दुनिया कितनी बड़ी है उसका अंदाजा नहीं आता.
और जो तुम्हारा स्कूल इतना बड़ा है
वो है. तो वो एडवांटेज है. अभी हम आगे बढ़ गए.
वरुण कहता है कि किसी में मलाल नहीं दिखता ही है, वो तुम्हारा स्कूल इतना बड़ा है, तुमको नहीं समझ में।
ट्रेड्स मैच करते
अब तू खुश रहे भाई, मेरे लिए खुश रहे.
बहुत खुश हूं मैं.
एडवांटेजेस बहुत सारे थे,
जी.
लेकिन आप अपने यू फॉर्म अ बबल अराउंड योरसेल्फ और आपको पता नहीं होता है कि ये बबल कितनी बड़ी है, कब जाती है, कब आती है. आप उसमें रहते हो.
Right.
एंड इट टुक अ व्हाइल फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इसके बाहर भी ये है, वो है, ये है, वो है. दुनिया
Very well cast for the character.
Very well cast for the character. But I feel, I think casting directors are doing fantastically well in the past 5, 6, 10 years. Specifically OTT के इसमें DNA matched है. I think Call Me Bay also in that sense. DNA is absolutely matched. Call Me Bay के अलावा कोई ऐसा सीरीज या फिल्म, कॉलिन अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं जहाँ पे casting was top notch, direction, production, everything else, writing brilliant, but casting was top notch, वो कौन सी सीरीज या फिल्म होगी आपके लिए?
I think पंचमी ने जो क्लास में किया, she brought so much new talent
Yeah.
into the industry, and I always appreciate that.
Yeah.
You know, directors who take a punt on new talent, and we get to see this, and it was, I think, hats off to Osha Ahluwalia and Panchmi for doing that. But I loved Patal Lok. I thought it had a very, very interesting
Even Big Girls Don't
cast. Yeah, yeah, all new,
Very well cast.
amazing new talent, and of course Mirzapur has, you know, a great cast.
Family
Yeah.
Man also.
Yeah, Family Man. You know, so,
Yeah.
I mean, they're all great. We now we want to watch these shows for the actors,
Yeah.
which is best.
Yeah. Yeah, one casting that I really found a little confusing when I was growing up was during Judai, जब मैंने जॉनी लीवर और श्रीदेवी को भाई बहन के रोल में देखा था, and I was like, ठीक है, after years I got to know this, but I genuinely feel casting.
मैंने भी
is-
ऐसी confusing casting की थी, but अभी
we were like bygones be bygones. That's absolutely fine. Varun, one good thing and one bad thing about TV shows, series. सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है और सबसे बुरी बात क्या है?
OTT
जी.
अच्छी बात यह है कि आपको अपना कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रे करने के लिए और लोगों को समझाने के लिए काफ़ी टाइम मिलता है.
जी.
You can dwell into the character in a lot more detail. That's a good thing. The bad thing is that for an actor, the show gets over and then you make so many friends and then you can't meet them on a regular basis.
Varun just wants to hang out.
Yeah, I just want to
let
like
him
be around people. I love
बुला
it.
दे hang out के लिए यार.
Is he
कोई
the
बुलाओ
real
तो मुझे
babe?
यार, कोई बुलाओ तो.
वरुण को कोई मैसेज करो प्लीज.
मैं ही करते रहता हूँ.
वरुण, एक और सवाल आपके लिए है कि आपका बर्थडे 1 अप्रैल को, इज दैट
हाँ जी,
करेक्ट?
yeah.
जी. और
Oh my God.
सबसे ज्यादा फनी स्टोरी अबाउट योर बर्थडे, कॉलिंग फ्रेंड्स एंड सेइंग, "हे मेरा बर्थडे 1 अप्रैल को आ जाना," बट दे लाइक, "मैं नहीं आऊंगा बिकॉज़ ये मेरा फूल बना रहा है."
हाँ, 5 साल हुआ है.
Was there any time any such incident that you
For 5 years. I have a twin sister.
Oh wow.
And we both combined had 2 friends. Me and her. No.
Which is why now Varun wants to hang with as many people as possible.
Yeah. कोई आता ही नहीं था, लोग बोल रहे थे बेवकूफ बना रहा है. So actually 5 साल तक तो यही हुआ. Then my mom came one time. बेवकूफ.
Right.
मॉम बोलती है यार बर्थडे है आ जाओ. और फिर उसके बाद कोई नहीं आया. नहीं 1-2 आते थे.
एक तो आते थे. You call me, I'll come. Just call me babe. ठीक है, I'll hang with you.
I shall.
If that's what
सब
you
बोलते हैं.
अरे मौका तो दो. Vihan, are you eternally confused and eager for love, or you're not, or you're just tired of this?
Eager for a lot of love.
Eager for a lot of love. He's eager for friendship. You're eager for love. Good for you. What are you eager for?
I am eager for many things, but love is not one of them right now.
Why? क्यों?
What?
Why?
Are you
But
emotionally
आपको पता है ना,
unavailable?
प्यार सोच के नहीं होता है, बस हो जाता है.
Gurpati is emotionally unavailable.
Yeah, I think I was trying to play around with the words of the show, but I cannot right now.
Emotionally unavailable, but otherwise available.
Generally
अरे.
physically available.
Humorously available, guys. 1 second. Questions that jumped from Vihan.
Some
to
can say that.
Ji. Okay. How about you? Are you eternally confused and eager for love?
Thankfully not.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
अब इससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या बोलूँ? Okay. From this entire set, the best food recommendations देने वाला इंसान कौन है?
Lyra, दत्ता बड़ा पाव.
Anuj.
Okay.
Anuj
Anuj
Santana.
is our DOP.
DOP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say Muskan.
Yeah.
We actually discussed a lot about food. She, जब Veronica's नया खुला था Bandra में,
Yeah.
she got me my first sandwich and coffee from there. तो
Oh, how
That's
sweet.
sweet.
remember.
That's sweet.
That you
Now-
can't even order, na? You have to stand in line and get.
Yeah.
yeah, at least at that
Now
time.
you can. sit
Now you
and
can.
order
At that time,
At that time. you
हाँ,
can.
it was like a oh shit, we managed to
thing.
get our hands on it.
Yeah. I'll take you for Benne dosa also. That's good.
हाँ, I've not.
There also you have to stand only. Anyway,
Yeah.
best series recommendation कौन देता है set पे? क्या दोस्त तो ये दे क्या ये वाला TV show या
गुरफत
फिर?
है.
Yeah.
I think हम एक दूसरे के साथ डिस्कस करते रहते हैं.
बहुत. That's how we actually
Yeah.
became friends, connected.
Yeah.
Books and
Books and
recommendations
new
of
shows and films.
series.
Yeah. Best.
And foreign
Sorry.
films.
Foreign films.
And foreign films. Best gossip कौन देता है? Who gives the best tea?
Damn rude, yeah.
Colin gives the best tea.
But he has the best stories. He has the best stories of things that have happened, and like it's also he tells you in such cinematic detail.
Yeah.
It's too good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I realize I'm only giving gossip about myself most of the time, and giving it like as if it's gossip, but actually it's just my story.
It's just trauma maybe.
Yeah.
Right. Best critical feedback कौन देता है?
Colin.
Colin?
Colin.
Yeah.
Besides Colin, if somebody gives critical feedback and takes the liberty to, because आपका हक है on friends that you made on set.
To me, I mean, I have a whole list of producers who give
Also because it's a job, Colin. If you weren't getting critical feedback, it would be ghar ghar or something. I don't know.
I know, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay, no one's answering anybody. I'll just move on. Best nerd information. Ye equipment best hai. Yeah, you know, bats can live up to 41 years of their life. Anything, any such thing.
I would say Varun.
Varun?
Yeah.
Oh.
Weird fact.
Unexpected,
Even
but
he's
like,
a big tech nerd.
yeah, even
Yeah,
actually even
yeah, even
Vihan
Vihan is a
also.
big tech nerd. Yeah.
Even Vihan.
Tech I like.
Yeah?
No, but about different things also, different
random
topics.
stuff.
Yeah.
Vihan's quite humble about his nerd information.
Yeah.
We're just wrapping this up. I have some, according to me, they're edgy questions. They may not be
Edgy.
but they may not be. We'll
Okay.
figure that as we go. Vihan, call me Bay. Ananya के कैरेक्टर को अगर किसी क्रिकेटर को करना होता तो इन तीनों में से कौन करता? हार्दिक पांड्या, केएल राहुल या शुभमन गिल?
क्या करता?
अनन्या
Play
के
कौन
कैरेक्टर
करता?
को पोर्ट्रे करना
Play
होता।
portray करना?
जी।
You just say the names again.
हार्दिक पांड्या,
हाँ।
केएल राहुल, शुभमन गिल.
Shubman Gill.
Yeah, why?
He seems like he grooms a lot,
Yeah.
a good amount.
Okay. Cool. Who amongst the people on the sets, Colin, will eat a live worm only so that you can live?
So that I can live?
Yeah.
I
सबसे
think-
पहले कौन खाएगा?
I think Varun वैसे भी खा लेगा.
अरे यार वरुण.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी. Whether I live or not. He's been a roadie, so I mean, I think he would.
No, it's not because of whatever he's done in the past, but really who really feels for you is why.
I think he would.
Yeah.
I think he would.
Okay. Varun, this one's for you. Who is a miser? वो दिखाते हैं कि वो लोग बहुत स्पेंड करते हैं, बट इस
मैं।
सेट आप
हाँ।
नहीं यार, आप नहीं
मैं
ले
हूँ।
सकते खुद का नाम.
That's not true.
अच्छा
हूँ।
ठीक है.
मैं बहुत कंजूस हूँ. हाँ, मैं कभी कभी स्विगी पे खाना मंगाता हूँ और अगर ऐसे बहुत खराब बात है बोलना और एक चीज मिसिंग होगी तो मैं रिफंड.
Of course. और कैसे करते हैं लाइफ
पूरा
में?
That is not.
That's not
और
being a
वो नहीं, वो
miser.
लोग
ऐसे
पूछते
मिल
हैं.
जाता है क्या रिफंड?
हाँ, वो लोग पूछते हैं. Do you want to give just a feedback or refund? Well, refund.
But if your rating is bad, then they'll stop giving you refunds. They blacklist you.
No, I have two accounts. बहन का
But
भी
he
account
won't
है.
blacklist Varun, na? Sorry, he I'm saying.
Varun तो खुश रहते हैं.
Correct. No, but I'm also like that. So that then we are a miser. We are
Maybe yeah.
we are
It's a
misers.
self-realization.
ठीक है, क्या कह सकते हैं हम? Who is the Ori on the set of Call Me Bay?
Henri on the set.
Wants to take a selfie, has like things sorted, wants to concentrate on his, you know, evolution and like good things. to-
Ananya?
Ananya.
Yeah?
Ananya.
Ananya is
be.
the Ori on the set
Yeah.
of Call Me Bay.
Yeah.
She's a liver.
Yeah.
She's a liver. Who is the Urfi on the set, Vihan?
What are the implications?
What are the
We had an AD Neil. He was always
he
dressed
was
up. He was
yeah.
always getting clicked, and he had some new photo shoot every second day.
Yeah, he had more BTS pictures
Yeah.
than all of us
And
combined.
we were wondering कि ये shoot कहाँ करा रहे हैं? वो कहता कि set photographer. I got clicked. I
और वो
told him.
खुद वैन में आके बैठता था.
हाँ.
वो खुद एक्टर था.
और मेरे प्रोटीन बार खाता था.
There's a reason why you're a miser, Varun. सब आपका फायदा उठा रहे हैं. That's the
सही
reason
बात
why.
है. Very
Khair,
good, yeah.
the next one for you is who out of the cast would cheat on you with your partner?
Cheat on? Who?
You.
Colin?
Means with me or
Mane
Cheat with Colin.
Cheat with Colin. Cheat on Colin with your partner. If Colin is seeing somebody, they would sleep or do things or do whatever.
I don't think anyone, because Colin doesn't have.
What if? This is what if.
Or like they're so like mean that they would.
Who's a meanie who didn't care?
Nick?
Very edgy,
Edgy, na?
question.
Chalo, ठीक है. Who is most likely to be a billionaire from the cast of Call Me Babe?
All of us.
Hopefully all of us.
Fabulous. Fabulous answer. Who do you think has the best startup plan in Call Me Babe ka cast? किसी भी चीज़ का मतलब जब देखो तब स्टार्टअप प्लान या डिस्कशंस चलते रहते हैं या फिर इसका बिजनेस होना चाहिए, इसका ऐप बनना चाहिए।
Faye D'Souza.
अरे
है
कौन
क्या
है?
कोई स्टार्टअप वाला?
नहीं हम आई डोंट थिंक हम इतने क्रिएटिव थे उस मामले में
He's starting something, so I'm assuming
Yeah.
What is
probably
starting?
him.
what are you starting
हाँ, वो
Varun?
clothing
Yeah,
brand.
Hey,
He
nice.
already has.
he already has. Yeah.
Billionaire him.
I would say Veer Das.
Yeah, Veer
Yeah.
Das.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Veer,
Veer
Yeah,
Veer.
yeah. Is Veer as funny as? That's an edgy question for you.
He's hilarious. He's hilarious and
I know this is a trick question.
It's a-
Listen, it's been real fun chatting with you. We're looking forward to the 6th of September. This definitely has to have a second season, Colin.
Yeah.
yes.
Here's wishing you 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th.
Chalo.
At least, huh? At least.
At least.
And I promise I will not cheat on you with your partner. I promise that.
I appreciate
living
it.
life.
I appreciate
it. Here is wishing the cast, ek chauthai as I mentioned. Can we please put our hands up together again for Vihan, for Colin, for Varun, for Good Fateh. And please watch, like and share this content on Mirchi Plus ka YouTube channel. This is me, Prerna. This has been the longest end speech. You have a great day. Bye-bye.
Just keep
Imagine the person whose hands are up.
Keep going, just keep going.
Just clapping. They're like, when is she going to stop? Yeah. Can they stop, please? I'm dying. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.